Wagwan everyone, welcome back to the channel. My YouTube name is DJ Ninja 254. If you are watching me for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you are my returning subscriber, I appreciate for always coming back to watch my videos. Today we are looking into a topic that is close to home for many of us. Jamaica, the beloved home away from home for countless African YouTubers. You know, of recently, many YouTubers have been flocking Jamaica. The cream of the cream, the best of the best YouTubers from Africa have been going to Jamaica. Maybe you are there and you are asking yourself, why is it so? It is because of several reasons. It is because Africa and Jamaica share a lot of similarities. You know, one thing that most of the African YouTubers won't tell you is that in Jamaica there is a lot of its citizens in the diaspora. So the RPM of Jamaica tends to be high. If the population of Jamaica is around 2.8 million, and a lot of its citizens are living in other countries, especially the US, which is the one leading. So me as a YouTuber, being one of them, the African YouTubers, we really love Jamaica and doing content related to Jamaica because the RPM of Jamaica is high. RPM, for those who don't know, is revenue per mile, or CPM in Jamaica. It's quite good because of the diasporans living in countries like USA, UK. The RPM is so good. So that's why also most of them will tend to go there. Another thing, you know, Jamaicans that are living abroad are very eager, wanting to know what is really happening in Jamaica. So that's why anything to do with Jamaica, they tend to look deeply under, so that they can be able to know exactly what is happening in their country. So, as I have said, this video will be talking about why the African YouTubers just view Jamaica as their home far away from home. One of the reasons is warm hospitality. Just like in Africa, Jamaicans are known for their warm hospitality and infectious energy, making African YouTubers feel right at home. Whether it's striking up a conversation with a local vendor or joining in a spontaneous dance party on the street, the sense of community in Jamaica is tangible. Jamaica generally their arms are wide open to everyone. When they greet you, they have some sort of smile. You know, there are some countries when you go there, you greet somebody, and somebody makes a face like this. Somebody frowns instead of telling you hi. Like here in Kenya, I'm recording this video from Kenya. We greet people by saying habari yako. Habari yako means hello. How are you? You greet them, and they reply mzuri. Mzuri for we are fine. And also we have other local dialects where you every morning when you meet each other, you greet each other. And you know, also here in Africa, somebody can welcome you even if they don't know you, as long as your intention is known and you are a good person. You are just welcomed openly. The arms of Africans, same way to Jamaicans, are open to each and everyone. We are welcoming. Our hospitality is very warm. The second point, guys, is natural beauty. From the lush of rainforests of the interior to the pristine beaches along the Jamaican coast, Jamaican's natural beach is simply breathtaking. For African YouTubers accustomed to the diverse landscapes of the continent, Jamaica offers a new and enchanting backdrop for their content. You know, Jamaica is a land full of beauty. Everything you see, everything nice. They say everything nice. Just the same in Africa. From the beaches in East Africa to the beaches in West Africa, the great waterfall in Zambezi. Is it Zambezi or Zimbabwe? And so many other important, like the rainforest in Congo and the landscape in general, hills, the Rift Valley. There's so much. So there is a relationship. There's that relationship between Jamaica and Africa. So the beauty more attracts most of the African content creators to come over in Jamaica and do their content. Another point, guys, is cultural connection, guys. You know, Jamaica and Africa, we are culturally connected, since, you know, most of the slaves during the past were taken over to Jamaica. So you'll find that, especially from West Africa, there are people even from today who are in Jamaica and trace their roots to the western side of Africa. One of the reasons Jamaica resonates so deeply with African YouTubers is in its strong cultural connection to the motherland Africa. From the rhythms of reggae music to the flavors of junk cuisine, Jamaican's cultural tapestry reflects the shared heritage of Africa. Another point, guys, is the spirit of resilience. Jamaica's history, marked by colonization and slavery, mirrors the struggles faced by many African nations. Yet, despite the challenges, Jamaican spirit of resilience and defiance inspire African YouTubers to embrace their own resilience and strength. Guys, the spirit of resilience, it is evident among some of the YouTubers, African YouTubers that are there. Some that are currently in Jamaica doing content, and some like over here in Kenya, there's one YouTuber who was in Jamaica known as Iammarwa. You can see that he has been resilient. You know, with African YouTubers, there are some countries that they are being denied visas because of their skin color and other sort of discrimination, but they have to keep on soldiering on. You know, creating content is very tough. You create content, you do content for like even years without earning out of it, but because of the love of doing what they do, they really soldier on. A good example, I was still on Iammarwa, one of the African content creators. The resilience that he has, irrespective of he has one of his high has a problem, but he doesn't dwell on that, so that he can keep on begging for people to assist him. He soldiers on, he keep on soldiers on. When he was in Colombia, he was homeless, but he kept on working hard. A YouTuber such as Wode Maya, his YouTube channel was at one time was stolen. He worked his way around and ensure that and got the channel back. That is just an example of resilience. Back in the days here in Africa, during the colonization period, we have had people like the Shaka Zulu. They really fought against the white people who wanted to the colonization. Also in Jamaica, I know you know some of the history of the Maroons. They were waging guerrilla warfare once to the colonialists. You see, they were resilient. Over here in Kenya, there is the Mau Mau. They're known as the Mau Mau warriors. they took part in fighting for the independence of this nation. Those are some of just a few resilience, the spirit of resilience that is relatable between Jamaica and Africa. It is resilience. Jamaicans are resilient. They really work hard, going from Jamaica to the UK, going from Jamaica to the US and other countries, and really working hard, ensuring that their reggae spreads wings all over the globe. It's not a joke. Another point, guys, is the shared struggles and the wins. You know, Jamaica's journey towards independence and the self-determination resonates deeply with African YouTubers who understand the struggle of freedom and equality all too well. By exploring Jamaica's history and contemporary issues, African YouTubers find common ground and solidarity with the Jamaican people. So there you have it, folks. Jamaica, a Christian home away from home for African YouTubers everywhere. Whether it's the vibrant culture, the warm hospitality, or the stunning landscapes, Jamaica has a special place in our hearts. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay blessed.